In this exciting video, join us as we delve into the unrivaled expertise and industry-leading standards of Blackcoffer, a client-centric IT consulting firm. Learn about the global reach of Blackcoffer, their innovative solutions, and the unparalleled value they bring to businesses worldwide. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Meet a leading retail tech firm in the USA, 200+ employees strong, but facing a serverless roadblock. AWS Lambda is powerful, but it comes with frustrating constraints.
Runtime customization headaches, dependency management nightmares,
An execution environment isolation that just doesn't cut it. Here's how the Blackcoffer team solved it. Docker containerization for AWS Lambda. We containerize the entire Lambda function, code, dependencies, custom configs, all in one package. Our Docker file defines the build process, base image, dependencies, Lambda code, handler function. Build the Docker image with all Lambda components perfectly encapsulated. Push to Amazon ECR for secure, scalable image storage and version management. Update Lambda configuration to use our custom Docker image instead of default runtime. The results? Complete runtime control, seamless dependency management, perfect environment isolation, plus integrated AWS CloudWatch monitoring for complete visibility into performance and logs. A robust, flexible, and efficient serverless solution that scales with business needs. Blackcoffer, where technical challenges meet innovative solutions. Engineering the future of serverless architecture.